Let's click send and let's see, did this app actually worked? Okay, it's really fast. And what we got here? Okay guys, as you can see, we got success open Asian drug champion game. What is up people? Welcome to my brand new tutorial. In this tutorial guys, I will show you how you can get free Asian drag champion plus app for your Android or your iOS device guys. It's really not important. Just follow my steps. I found this app on forums, so I wanted to review it. So basically it's review video and tutorial guys that I'm going to show you. So yeah, let's open this and let's see what we got here guys. It's really simple. Just follow my steps and I'm sure you won't get in trouble. Let's select our current device platform. It's Android for me, so I'm going to select Android. We will enter our money amount and medal. It's wanted amount of money and medal. I will enter 99,000. Okay, it's really enough for me. So yeah, you can enter as many as you want guys. I need that number. And down below we have latest Asian drug championship tweak. It was today guys in 6 p.m. so yeah, as you can see down below, you can check for the updates, but we won't do it now because it's latest. I downloaded it literally 15 minutes ago. So yeah, let's click send and let's see, did this app actually worked? Okay, it's really fast. And what we got here? Okay guys, as you can see, we got success open Asian drug champion game. Okay guys, so we want to open it now. I will show you first how to download and we will test it all together. So okay, let's go to Google or any browser you got guys. Navigate to this website. It's appshappy.net. It's official website of this app. So yeah, they made it and you can download officially from this website. As I said, it's 100% safe guys and free to download. So just follow my steps. That's how I downloaded. So click there, Asian drag champion plus and click install and let's wait about 15 seconds I guess. It's really simple guys, just follow my steps and it will start loading and unpacking and extracting. So yeah, that's everything you have to do guys, and your plus app will go into your home screen as mine guys. One quick notice, if you're doing it for the first time guys, I mean if you're downloading it for the first time, you will have to verify your mobile device that you're human. So go ahead, it won't take more than 2 minutes of your time. It takes 2 mine. So yeah, just go ahead, download 2 apps or do 2 offers, just verify your device version. It's really easy guys. So it will start downloading into your home screen and you safely use this as me guys. That's everything for this tutorial guys. Make sure you comment down below if you need any help. I'll there for you. So yeah, thank you so much for watching guys and see you in the next video. Bye.